Today we're going to be testing the siren. Oh, whoops, wrong side. Look at the siren.
We'll be doing attack mode.
Yeah, we're going to do attack mode
Can
first.
I show you the control box? So here's the control box right here. That's the control box. And what's to attack mode? Where it goes.
Yeah. I'm
Then
gonna
we're gonna do
I'm
steady.
gonna go. By the way, no, pause it, quick. Yeah, pause it. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Do not wear headphones. If you're wearing headphones, your ears will blow up. Not literally blow up. They'll hurt.
Because
So-
this thing is loud.
So do not wear headphones and have some sort of ear protection to try to make it so it's not as loud. But just trust me on this one. Do not wear headphones, please. I don't want you to go to the hospital.
Okay.
All right, sorry.
3, 2, 1, go. Attack mode. Okay, just started.
Next mode.
Next mode is let's do.
He's playing some Friday Night Funkin'. You don't play that game.
Hello.
On Roblox. It's on Roblox. You got this one.
This one's century old.
Yep. Now I'm not going to do the moderator siren.
Oh, the modulator.
Yes. In a second, we're going to do the moderator siren. Very loud silence.
Modulator siren.
I'm doing the moderator siren.
If you're inspired to advance
Wow.
Tommy modulator. Alright, here we go. This one's also very loud. It should do it any moment now.
Here's the modulator sound. Next, you should do the tsunami sound.
Oh, yeah.
Loud. Sorry about walking around.
This ain't loud, bro.
Time for the tsunami siren.
Huh?
Hit the tsunami siren. If you want me to do a challenge that he has to try to survive him, ask me if you want to do challenge if he has to try to do a bunch like 3 minutes with the most obnoxious sound. Hit the like button.
Tommy siren.
If you want me to do a challenge, I have to wear headphones and I gotta do the most annoying sound ever. Hit the like button if you want me to do that. And also hit the subscribe button if you want me to do more like a different speaker for the siren. Hit the subscribe button, notification button, so you know when I do that.
It's so very loud.
Is the tsunami siren? Oh. Okay, right up on siren doesn't mean it's not a loud siren. We're gonna do 2 more sirens and then we're gonna end it. So choose wisely. Alright, after this siren, we're gonna do 1 more and then I'm gonna end the video. What you laughing at?
Oh, just my playing my game.
Playing a game. What?
That actual game. Alright, now this one, very loud.
What are you doing?
Very loud one.
Okay, what's this one?
This one is a weird one. Alright, let's go, let's go.
Listen to this.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Get those words out of here. I want to see it. Alright, let's go. It's about to start. Dee dee dee. Okay, there it goes.
We're not here to play Spider-Man something, okay? We're here to listen to sirens. Subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want me to do a challenge where I have to listen to the most annoying sound for 3 minutes, hit the like button. If you want me to do another one of these where I try a different speaker siren, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I make a new video. Bye bye.